What's up, everybody? It's 5 in the morning, and I just got off of work, 12-hour shift, and we've got some things to discuss. My internet was out yesterday, so such is life. But market up or down, the market was slightly down. It was really kind of scary when I woke up, and then for some, exciting for others, we'll put it that way. But rebounded nicely, but still finished down, so we need to go through our trading plan here. We've got the brokerage account, tons of cash, but we did have some activity on the 8th. So we had a buy on Western Union, 22.44 check ball. We had a buy 52.92 and a sell 53.44. Again, these were all while I was asleep. Thanks to the round trip order, we had a 116.93 MKTX and a buy for AT&T 22.74. So we got a penny off here. Penny saved, penny earned, yada yada. But market was up on the 8th. Couldn't get the video out, didn't have any internet. So struggling with that here lately. We'll maybe be looking to make a change. There's lots of changes coming in my life. It's exciting and scary all at the same time. Nice little 52 buyer there. We got $2.04. Still chipping away at our monthly goal, and it doesn't take anything flashy to get there. So with the market being down, first step of my trading plan is buy the assets I already have from smallest to largest. So we have AT&T. Let's check it out here on the screener. And there it is, AT&T. I still do go in here and double check to make sure that it still fits the system. I'm not recklessly just buying stuff. So we've got P's in range, dividends in range, dividends good in debt, 22.71 for T. Again, try to keep position sizing to 1% of my total account without going over and without using partial shares. There's nothing wrong with using partial shares. Some brokers will allow you to do that with a limit order, but doing partial shares with a market order can be quite dangerous. So be cautious. Stock market can be risky. Since we're in a cash account here, which is definitely something I would recommend for new people. It just makes life easier. I know they changed the PDT and all that, but first trigger's a second there, but most people make mistakes. So 22.71 here on the buy side. Trying to get through this. I'm trying to start day trading again. So I'm going to sleep for 4 hours and get up and trade, I guess. Now these have divided by 2 to get an average. Take that number times 1.01. Pause the video, do that math for yourself. 22.95 is what I got. That's a 0. Can't see very good. Limit order always good till cancel with extended hours. In this round trip order, it can work while I'm sleeping. 7 a.m. I believe this broker goes live, so it can all happen automated. This is not a huge time investment. That's not a huge money investment. You just have to get it going. Computer's not really wanting to work, but we're going to power through. If I lose you, I tried my dangdest. Alright, so back to the list here. Next one is Western Union, or NOG. While this thing's loading, make sure you give me a like if you would, and a subscribe. Share this with your friends, man. It's weird, our market goes up and people get real greedy. NOG's not on here, Western Union is. Let's double check. But more people will be asking about stock market when they see other people making money. That is not the right reason to get in, but that's what people do. Alright, we got low PEs, very high debt, but it's under 4, and nice dividends there, so 743. So I'm going to take 743 times 3 shares, get me to 22.29. And if I had one more share, I would be over my 1% limit. So that's the reason why it goes that way. I don't have much patience for this stuff today. The work in the job, I've been making it work for a while, and I think it's about over with. First trade is a second, and I think that's where the day trade is going to come in. It's just exactly the same as I did last time. Alright, so we want 743. And we got to get a sell number here. So I'm going to add these up and divide by 6 in order to get my average per share. Because we have 6 shares. So that is 44.73 divided by 6 times 1.01. Very simple. That's just how I do it. Alright. Last one on the list, MKTX. There it is. Market access. Dividends in range, PEs in range, very low debt. 116.51. And this is exactly how I freaking do it. Nice and easy. First share is the second. I'm going to try to buy 1 share and sell 3 of them. Very simple. 116.51. Always a limit order. Until cancel, extended hours. Let's get a sell price. Add these up, divide by 3 to get an average. I'm taking that number times 1.01. A lot of you will want to round this one, but I do not. It's maybe superstitious, I guess. But I have something about greed in the markets, and I believe in my heart that greedy pigs get slaughtered. I do. Alright, so now we've been through the list. Stocks we already own. Next step in my trading plan is to go through the screener and look for stocks that are in my universe, which is a fleet towards higher quality companies that I have maybe in an investing account that I would sleep well at night. They call them swan stocks, but none of these are in my universe. So the next step of my trading plan is just to go down the list, and there's not very many, so we'll do it real quick. And you can see PEs are too high here. And as soon as I see a reason to not take it, I don't need to keep looking at it. It's on to the next one. PEs are too high here, but if this continues to drop, it will come into range. And we got this one. PEs, oh, look at the debt. Way too much debt. Alright, so that's what we have for today. And appreciate you guys watching. If you would, leave me a like on your way out. Make sure you subscribe and share this with your friends or people who ask you for money. And again, for disclaimer, I own this stuff. Those are my real orders, but this is not personalized financial advice. I don't know you, but this is what I'm doing, sharing my journey. This is my own money. And this is exactly how I retired at 40. And how I'm going to start a charity and then go into doing whatever the next thing is. I got several businesses that are started that I enjoy, so I might just do that without money being the focal point of it. It will be handled by dividends in the investing account. So this is the general framework. Just trying to share kind of what I've learned along the way in my personal journey, but I'm not a licensed financial advisor. You need advice from those people. Good luck to both of you, and you probably need to borrow from each other or something. But that's what we have. You got to make your own decisions. You can lose money and all that stuff. Yeah. But this is what I do. This account has been up for over 2 years with over 120% gains and 0 losing trades. Winners win. They don't lose. Ever. Never sell for a loss. I'm a bag holder. Have a great night.